Hello, we are now starting our Turkey Tetrazzini. We're doing a series on what to do with all the extra turkey after Thanksgiving or Christmas or whenever that you do it. So this is Turkey Tetrazzini and it's made with pasta. So I'll show you all the ingredients. We're going to saute our onions, and this is 1.5 cups of onions and some butter. And I put 1/4 cup or half a stick of butter in my pan. And to that, I am going to be adding some mushrooms, and that is 1.5 cups of mushrooms. We're going to let them kind of saute a little bit and kind of not cook them all the way, but enough to, because they're going to finish, when we put it in the oven, they're going to finish cooking. Now the other thing we're going to do, and here's our 3 cups of chopped, well, not quite, well, whatever you have. It's not an exact science. Turkey, and I'm going to also show you the pasta, because that's what you have to, you cook in first, and I've already pre-cooked this, and I'm going to show you this is all gluten-free. So here is what I cooked. Here it is. Here, I couldn't find it. Alright. Is Tinkyada. I've been using this for years. I love it. More stores are now carrying it. Kroger, Walmart, if you find the right Walmart, is carrying this. And this is brown rice pasta with the rice bran in it. So you have rustage. It's not just starch, okay? It's just not starch. So I just, so I went ahead and I snapped them in half because it is going to go in a casserole. And it's waiting for us to finish with these vegetables, the onions, and sauteing the mushrooms. And also, this is 1 cup of peas, and I just ran hot water over frozen peas, so I'm going to add those. I think that makes it look so pretty. So that's what that is. And to this, we're going to add the turkey and saute the turkey. I said 2.5 cups to 3, and I said it's not an exact science. And that all goes in to kind of meld in all the flavors. Put this aside. So while that is cooking, we're going to put the what it's going to, I don't know, juice, whatever, the sauce we're going to make. And I'm going to put in 4 cups of heavy cream. Here, let me get this out of the way. You can see. So here is the 4 cups of heavy cream, and to this, oh, that looks so good. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of McKay chicken seasoning. I'll put a link down below, and this is no MSG, and as I say, you can get it on Amazon, no problem. So we're putting that in. Getting that all, because this is going to boil down and get thick. Now we're also going to put in 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese into our sauce. And 1 cup of mozzarella, shredded mozzarella cheese. Oh, it's going to be so good. Woo! My family loves it. And so this is waiting for the, I'm going to put the spaghetti in there now so it can get all incorporated. This is 1 pound of spaghetti that's already cooked. And I said and when I pulled this out and drained it, I also put some butter so it wouldn't stick. Oh, you never can have enough butter. It's wonderful. And we're going to get the sauce all in there, the cream, and oh, it's going to look great. And that's that for that part. Now we're just, now that the vegetables are sauteing over here, we're just getting them nice and warm, so when they hit the spaghetti and cream, Parmesan, all the wonderful stuff, then it's all going to be mixed together. I mean, this is so fast, so easy, so easy, fast to make. Alright, that is, and now I'm going to turn off my burner, and I'm going to put the vegetables in there. There we go. Oh, we don't want to do a lot. You know, we still have family around. There's just so many turkey sandwiches you can make, but this makes a fast, easy casserole, and everybody seems to like it. You can make it your own. You can put whatever vegetables you want in there, and my oven is ready. It just beeped. It's 350, and it's been preheated. So we're going to put this in a casserole dish. Look, and isn't that wonderful? Okay, so my family likes a shallow, because when I put the breadcrumbs on top, it's really going to make it crunchy. So what I have in here is a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and the specks you see here is Italian seasoning, and that's going to be sprinkled on top. So we're going to do that right now. I have, let me show you. This is the gluten-free breadcrumbs that I get. They're called 4C crumbs. I'll link somewhere where you can buy it. The stores also have this as well if you want to look for it. And I'm going to put this all in here, and I'll be right back. Here I have put it in, and it's a little full, but you know, it'll boil down, and so I'm just about ready to put the breadcrumbs topping on it. And as I said before, it's the recipe will be down below, but it's gluten-free breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and a little. You don't need to add any salt to this because it's I salt my water when I do my pasta, but the Parmesan has a lot of salt, as you may know, and so this topping, you know, it all depends on what casserole that you put your stuff in. You can put it in 2 smaller ones. You can, and I've also put it in a deep casserole, but my family likes the crunchy tops with the breadcrumbs and stuff, so. I stuck in here. I probably should have stuck it in a 9x13 pan, but it is what it is. I got it. Okay, so the next time I'm going to put this in to 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. You have to check it yourself, make sure it's bubbling and it's heated all the way through. And if you do it 375, do it 375. You know your oven. And just kind of watch it, make sure it doesn't, but boy, put something underneath it because it can and probably will boil over. So we'll be back when it's all done and get you a taste test. I just pulled this out of the thing, and my daughter is here lined up wanting to taste. So here we go. She's going to taste it, take it, go for it. See how wonderful.
I want to tell y'all, whenever I saw the way this casserole looks right now as a child, I knew this casserole was going to be phenomenal. And yes, see right here, but the brown crust on the whole thing. I always knew this casserole, whatever creamy. She made, this topping was going to be incredibly wonderful. So, I want to tell y'all that I got to blow this off just a little bit, and I want to get a little bit
steamy.
The crust with this. Now,
it's Parmesan crust.
Absolutely. Here's the thing. My mother has made a lot of, this has to cool, so let me tell you, sir. My mother has made a lot of casseroles for a lot of potlucks at a lot of whatever that potlucks show up at. You know, there's a variety of places. So, as I said, when she did something like this with the Turkey Tetrazzini or any other casserole that she always put like this kind of breaded topping, you know, I thought it was lost to me as gluten-free, but she has brought it back, and I'm like, yes, 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 yes. So here we go. All right. I have asbestos mouth as well as hands. I'm not even going to lie. I've tested it a few times. Okay, as far as asbestos mouth. Okay, here we go.
All right. Blow, blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
There's she blowing.
Mmm.
It's so cheesy, isn't it good? I have mozzarella in there.
Yeah.
I have Parmesan. Yeah, it's good stuff.
So good.
So everybody, I want you to the
Even
recipes
with this
below.
Bam, so good. Okay.
The recipe will be at the bottom. So please subscribe, share this wonderful casserole.
If you have comments, questions,
absolutely,
let us know.
And subscribe.
Okay, but here's the other thing. If you know somebody who doesn't like casseroles, they don't seem like good people. They probably don't like animals too, which is another big sign. Okay, casserole heaven. All right, y'all be blessed and be twisters. Live twisty.
And don't forget our Facebook page, and because we have the join our community of twisters.
Our twisters, yes,
absolutely.
Thumbs up, subscribe, notification, do all that. All right, y'all be blessed.
And check out our next video on other things that we you can use leftover turkey, because we don't want to. We
have a lot of leftover turkey, and so we've been doing some things. Okay, y'all.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.